Hi everyone, it's time for another safety tip from our favorite watchdog, Savvy. It's Safety with Savvy. Hi, oh my goodness, you have a new safety helmet. I love it and it keeps falling off. Hold on, don't look down. There we go. I love it. Yes, I do. I love it. Doesn't she look cute? All right, well, little safety dog, we're really upgrading here. Let's see what you got for us, shall we?
Oh! Poor dog. I hope you don't do that.
That must be why she's wearing a helmet.
Wow.
I get it now.
Okay, let me see. Okay, that should have been tempered glass, which it's not. I know most people wouldn't get that, but that's extremely dangerous. It's a great reason to get the upgraded glass breakage warranty on your windows, because if that happens accidentally, that would be covered for life.
Wow. Well, there you go. There you go. That's that Milgard Full Lifetime Warranty. I think we talked about that.
We did.
Yes. Fantastic. Well, thank you, Savvy. My goodness, that was one of your best videos yet, I gotta say.
Thank God nobody got hurt.
Well, thank God the puppy didn't get hurt, huh?
That's what I meant.
She's looking out for her friends. Well done, Savvy. All right, well, thanks everybody for watching. Shall we say bye? Shall we say bye? Oh, hold on, we need to be able to see. Bye.
You're not looking.
Oh, look at. Bye.